Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take the keycaps off your keyboard on HONOR MagicBook. At first I recommend shutting down your laptop, so I'm just gonna go to the shutdown. Because we don't want to click on anything by accident. And also, before taking off the keycaps, you need to have in mind the fact that this is not a keycap. This is the camera which pops out. So there's no way to take it out, and don't try to do this because you may destroy it. So we'll just need to have anything that we can pry the keycap with. So I'll just use a needle and put it in between the keycap. Like that. Do it really carefully. Then you can put your fingernail underneath and you should be able to lightly, gently pop it off like that. And now you can see that the keycap is off. Then you can just clean it or do whatever you wanted to do with it. Make sure that even if you're using force to remove the keycap, you're not using too much, because you may break this little mechanism, which is sort of like scissors. And then to put the key back on, you just need to place it in the correct spot. Then make sure it's the correct orientation as well, and press on it until it clicks in all places. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.